I've been having some vertigo over the weekend, which means if I tilted my head a certain way, or if I looked up or down too fast, I'd get lightheaded and off balance. So I've been doing the exercises that my doctor recommended for the vertigo, not for this. Well, by the way, good morning. It's Monday, 21st day of exercising, first day of the 5th week. So for my vertigo, that means the little crystals in my ear are out of alignment. I have to sit on the edge of my bed. I have to lay down on one side with my head pointing 45 degrees to the ceiling, wait for the ceiling to stop spinning, then sit up straight, wait for the room to stop spinning, then do that on the right side, wait for the room to stop spinning, and I have to continually do that until I can lay over on one side, no spin, sit up, no spin, lay on the other side, no spin. So that's what I've been doing this morning before the workout. And the reason I had to do that was because leaning over, I leaned over to feed my cat this morning, and I had to grab the counter as I was leaning over because I almost face planted. We don't want to do that. It's not a good thing. Let's get this finished up real quick. My hand still hurts like hell. 2, 3, 4. There's that lightheadedness. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First workout of the week. 9, 10. All right. That's all done. 2 more sets. I'm obviously breathing better. Having the weekend off really helps. 140 beats a minute. Not terrible. Here's my stats for this week. I'm up 2 pounds. Stomach is the same. Now, according to the physical therapist, every time you gain a little weight, even if your measurement, my midsection, stays the same, I'm still building muscle. I'm gaining muscle. And because I'm not changing my diet, I'm still burning fat. I'm just not burning fat here. You can have 10 pounds of subcutaneous fat all over that really won't show. but your body will burn that fat. And sometimes when you're doing stuff like this, when I very first started, I lost an inch, and I lost another inch, I believe. I can't remember now. I'll have to go back and look. But I'm still 39 inches at the midsection. So now, apparently, my body has decided to burn the subcutaneous fat and try to hold on to the visceral fat. So it's burning the fat off of the underneath the skin, which means my muscles will become more defined. Instead of puffy, they'll become more defined. So that'll be good. Then once it can't burn off any more subcutaneous fat, they'll start burning the visceral fat again. So I have 2 more sets to do. I'm going to get those done. Obviously, I have not reached my goal of being able to do an entire set without setting down the weights yet. But hopefully this month I'll be able to do that. Hopefully by the end of the month. I'm hoping that I will be able to do a full set without setting down the weights, and then do a second set without setting down the weights. I don't know about the third set, but that's my goal for this month, is to be able to do 2 full sets without putting down the weights during the sets at all. Thank you for everybody that's subscribed so far. You guys rock. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Follow my journey. We're starting from scratch. If you're new to the channel, click on my picture down below. Go to my channel. Click on the playlist. Watch from the beginning, please. You'll get a lot more out of the channel if you watch from the very first videos. Or just click on the playlist that pops up at the end of the... It's somewhere over here on the screen. There's a playlist. Anyway, that's it. It's Monday. I will see you all tomorrow.